Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Another recipe with raw mango. Today's recipe is mango chutney. Let's begin the recipe. Here I have taken out the skin of the mango and sliced it thin like this. This actually tastes good in a grinder. The taste will remain the same, the texture matters. To show you, I am using a mixie jar, but I have a one which I have grinded in a grinder. Now I am going to put in the mango pieces. Salt to taste. Depending on the sourness, you can add the jaggery. Little more will definitely taste good. And spicy green chillies. I'm putting more. After a day, it will definitely reduce the spiciness. And little hing. If you want, you can add little bit of turmeric or you can exclude. This will grind it without water. When it is almost done, I'm going to add in the freshly chopped coriander. Our chutney is ready. Now I'll just do a seasoning to this. Little bit of oil, mustard, and some curry leaves. Mango chutney is ready to eat. This one is the one which we use the mixer, and this one is with the grinder. To look, both looks the same, but when you see, the texture matters. This will have done like cuts and this will be in a creamy texture. Taste wise, both the same. Texture wise, it matters. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.